What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're creating a cartoon illustration of Megan. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top of our circle. We're going to bring that down towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top of that circle on the right side. We want to bring that down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to add two small black dots in the center of each eye for the pupils. And fill that in black. And then we'll line the bottom of the eyes with some lashes. Let's start right in the middle with one straight line coming down on either side. And then we'll work our way in with two short lines angling them in. And we'll add two more along the outside, just aiming towards the center of the pupil. Let's curl the lashes along the top, starting right in the middle, then this out and then up. Let's add a couple more on either side. Now from here, we're going to move to the center and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Let's start over on the left, bend the nose, coming down and then up. Let's step up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now let's move down and draw on the mouth. We start back over on the left, then the mouth going up and then down. Let's add in the upper lip in the center. Let's start with a V. On the left side, bend this out and down towards the left side of the mouth. Do the same thing on the right. Let's connect the corners of the mouth with another curve coming down and then back up. Now let's go up to the top in the center and draw the hair coming down along the side of the head. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a point. Now from here, we're going to curve this up, bend this down around the eye, come down the side, and then bend that back out. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the center, we're going to go up, come around the right eye, down the side, and then bend that back out. Now you want to tuck the bottom of the head underneath the hair. Let's step up on the left side, bend the head, coming down, and then in underneath the mouth, go across, and then back up. Let's go up above the eyes and add in the eyebrows. We'll start from the side, hang this down, and then in. Let's line this up on the right, going up and out. From the inside, draw a short angled line going up and out. I'm just going to taper this. We're going to go out and bend that down towards a point on the outside. Just fill the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to move in at the inside edge of a curl. Let's start on the left side, bend this in, and then back out. And then along the bottom, we're just going to curl this back in. And it's around and then in towards the bottom. Now I'm going to go back up to the top. We're going to draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top of the head. And it will draw on the left side. Starting up here, I'm going to bend this up and then just bring that down along the left side. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up and then bringing that down. Let's bump this out along the side, going out. I'm going to bring that back in, just underneath this curve. Now let's move back and draw the bottom edge of the hair, coming around and then bending that in. Now we're going to move to the center and draw on that bow. We're going to leave a gap in the center, draw two straight lines coming down the side, close off the bottom with a straight line. From the bottom corners of that knot, bend the bow coming down and then out. And then we'll round up the side of the bow and pull that back in underneath the head. Let's add a fold on the outside of the knot, going up and out. Let's go to the center of that knot, draw a straight line coming down, angle this up and out towards the left, Now we're just going to angle this up and in towards the knot. From that bottom, let's step up, angle this up and out towards the right, and we'll bring that back up towards the knot. Now from here, we draw the centerpiece of the dress. We're going to start underneath the bow, and bend this out, and then down towards the left, go to the right side, go out, and then down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Let's add 2 buttons on either side. Starting from the top, start with a circle, line that up on the right. Now we're going to move down and draw that again. Let's go to the outside of the bow, curve the body going out and then down, just lining up with that button. And then from here, we draw a straight angled line coming down and out. Now you tuck the side panel of the dress in behind, leaving a little overlap along the bottom. So we're going to curve this down and then in. Let's move to the center, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel, towards the bottom of the feet. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the center, come down and up toward the left. Go back to the middle, come down and up towards the right. Let's connect the outside of the foot to the center with a half circle. Going up, and we'll bring that back down. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across. Let's separate the top of the foot with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's add a strap across the ankle. Starting from the outside, we're going to bend this up and then pull that in toward that center line. And then from the outside of the strap, draw a straight line going up underneath the dress along the outside of the leg. Now we're going to go back up to the top and add in the sleeves. Let's start from the side of the body, bend the sleeve going out and then up. And then from the outside, we're going to curve this up and then in toward the top of the body. Now I'm going to tuck the right arm in behind the body. From the outside corner of the sleeve, let's step in, straight down, and we'll just bend that in. Let's add some stripes going across the arm. Starting from the top, we'll step down, add 1 curve, step down, and just repeat this all the way down towards the bottom of the arm. Let's draw the left arm holding the paper cutter. From the corner of the sleeve, step in, bend the arm coming down and out in behind the hair, continue out towards the wrist. From the wrist, let's draw the thumb. We go up, come down and in, round out the tip of the thumb, and pull that back out. Let's wrap 3 fingers around the handle. Starting underneath the thumb, start with a half oval, going around and then back up. On the inside, draw another oval, going in behind the thumb, and then we'll do that 1 more time. Now we just want to close off the inside of the arm, starting from the finger, just tucking this up in behind the dress, and then we'll separate the sleeve with a curve. Let's add those stripes across the left arm. We're going to step up from the wrist, add 1 curve, and just repeat this all the way up towards the top. Now let's draw the blade in behind the hand. Starting from the top of the thumb, draw a straight angled line going all the way out towards the edge. Angle this down and in. And follow this line coming back in towards the hand. Let's add some blood across the blade. Starting from the top, and draw a wave going all the way around and back down. And then we're going to add a drip coming down from the blade. Starting from the end, in, down, round up the bottom. And I just want to pull that back up towards the inside of the blade. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Megan. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, then please give this video a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, then click on this video right here and I'll be waiting.